What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're gonna learn how to play A Little Bit Yours by JP Saxe on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial that I upload here on YouTube, I will include a skip to section right here where you can skip to either the chords or the strumming pattern. If you don't want to sit through the entire 10-minute video, I totally get it. Just go to whatever the timestamp says for each section. But if you watch the entire video, I'd love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is that I will be uploading the full play along for the song, which is me singing, strumming, and the chords and lyrics on screen. That will be available on Patreon, so you can check the link in the description below, or you can go to this website, type it in, and become a member. That is exclusive content on Patreon only, but the tutorial obviously is here, and the chord sheet, which is the lyrics and chords, will also be available in the description below, so make sure to check the description. It has all the important things, such as the chord sheet and all my socials, links to all my socials, so you can follow me on all the things down there. But let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. So the chords that we need for this song are A minor, C, D minor, F, and last but not least, G. So if you're like, Ricky, I know all those chords, let's move on to the strumming pattern. Again, skip to section will be your best friend. Just go to whatever timestamp it says for the strumming pattern. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please help me. I don't know where to put my fingers on the uke for each chord. Please, I don't know. I don't have a clue about anything. Don't worry. This is why this video exists. We're gonna go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about strumming. So if you wanna learn the chords and where to put your fingies on the uke, then just keep on watching. All right, so let's learn these chords. As always, I will include a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then have me talk you through it. So with that being said and done, let's talk about the first chord, which is the A minor chord. And how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your middle finger and you're gonna place your middle finger on the 4th string, which again is the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret. And it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, which is the bottom string, 1st string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord is the D minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And then how I like to play this one is I like to take my middle finger and I like to place it over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret. And it should sound like this. Beautiful. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then once the chords sound crisp and clear, then press play. And now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. I'm going to teach you 2 different ways you can play this. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I don't even want to deal with strumming right now. I just want to get through the song. I love the song, and I just want to sing and just kind of I want to get through it. Don't even teach me the strumming. Don't worry, I get it and I got you. The first way that we're gonna do is just going to be with a down strum. So I'm gonna down strum with my thumb. You can down strum with your pointer finger as well, but I just find it more comfortable just doing a single down strum with my thumb. And whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. And it'll sound just as awesome. As always, I will include the chord sheet, which is the full lyrics and chords, in the description. And for just to keep it more convenient for you and just make it super simple for you, I will include the chord right above the word where you need to change chords, so you know exactly when to change chords because you'll have it right in front of you. You copy and paste it, keep it for yourself, save it on your laptop, phone, tablet, wherever you save things. That is my gift to you. And now let's talk about the second way that you can play the song with an actual strum, not down strum, with a strum, and that's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's put a chord down. I'm gonna put the D minor chord down, and let's do that strumming pattern one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's do that strumming pattern one more time. I feel like we have it. We're gonna have the D minor chord down in 3, 2, 1, down, up, down, up, down, up. So when you add chords to it, it'll be like, I let myself want you, I let myself try, I let myself fall back into your eyes. So you're gonna do that strumming pattern for every chord, and that is pretty much it. So let's recap. Strumming patterns you can do are down strum or the down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so we learned the chords for this song, and we learned the 2 different ways you can strum this song, with the down strum or with the actual strumming pattern. Congratulations, you now know how to play A Little Bit Yours by JP Saxe on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to you watching and to clicking on this video, watching this video, and learning this song with me. I truly appreciate you being here, and thank you so much for clicking on this video and choosing me to teach you this song. I hope you learned it. I hope this made you smile and you had a good time learning music, because I definitely did. If you're like, Ricky, what is this beautiful uke that you're holding and you're playing? Well, person who asked, which is I guess technically me, this is the new Nova U Enya Soprano ukulele. It is now in soprano, so I actually have the similar one in a concert size. So this is the official soprano size, which is absolutely, I mean, it's so cool that they made it in soprano size. It's just more travel size. I do love my Enyas, and the Nova U series is one of my favorite series that they have in their collection. So again, this is the Nova U Soprano ukulele from Enya, and it's so cool. It's super lightweight, and as you heard earlier, the sound, it's loud and it's good and it's beautiful, and it definitely vibrates and it's just vibrant. And you're probably like, Ricky, just give us the price. Let us know how much it is. It's probably like $95, $100. And I would say, no. It is none of those. It is $70 on Amazon right now. And you're probably like, Ricky, what? This looks like absolutely nothing I have in my collection. It looks super cool, super sleek, and it's carbon fiber. How can it be $70? Well, Enya people make affordable ukes and great ukes, high quality ukes. I'll leave a link in the description below to the Amazon page where you can get this for yourself. Again, it's $70 and it comes with extra strings. It comes with a case that, let me show you the case. Literally, I've never seen a case that looks like this before. It is hard. Can you hear that? That is a hard case. It comes with a really cool case, and it comes with a tuner, an official Enya tuner. So it comes with all that stuff for $70, and obviously the main showstopper is this uke. Again, if you don't want to get it, link in the description below. Thank you so much for Enya for making such affordable, great ukes. Also, one other thing I want to do and mention is we officially have merch. I'm wearing it right now. This is the official Uke Fam merch. I'll leave a link in the description below. And finally, if you want to get behind the scenes, day-to-day stuff of my everyday life, and you want to be like, I wonder what he does in the day. Well, you can finally find out because you can find me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. Follow me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. I would love to get to know you more, and I'm pretty much always on Instagram. I'm super active, so if you have a question, send me a DM or leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate you being here and hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. What else? Thank you so much. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video, which let me know what you want to see on this channel. Comment below as well. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but it's time for me to go. I'll see you later. Bye.